So I realized I haven't really touched this BTS channel in forever, but I thought this could be a good opportunity since I picked up the max lens mod for the GoPro 9. So this was basically my first test ride to see if there's even something of value coming out of this thing. I like the idea of having a level horizon without using any big bulky gimbal or something like that. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with the result. The thing when you have the horizon lock, you get that nice lean angles, which is what I was after. Now, of course, I'm no Safa, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, definitely check out Safa Brian on YouTube. Easily the best POV videos on YouTube, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna leave you with this descent. I don't really have much to say. I can say this though. I mentioned in my last video on the main channel that I was really surprised with the descending on the new Trek Monda, and when I got home and uploaded this ride to Strava, I realized I actually got a top 5 on this descent, which kind of speaks to how nice this bike descent. I didn't really try to push it or anything. I was just trying to chase those nice lean angles, trying to stay in my lane, and as you can see, there's some snow on the side, so I didn't want to push it or anything, but still I ended up on that top 5 for some reason. Not that this is a hotly contested segment or anything, so hopefully I might be able to use clips from this in the future on my other quote-unquote real videos, so we'll see what happens. Nothing more to say. I will just leave you with this descent. Also, look at that top tube fade. God damn it, so nice.